Hello YouTube, I'm Mark and welcome back to MavTech. And as you've probably guessed, I'm here to talk about the new iPhone XS Max from Apple. I'm excited, I'm hoping you are as well. Now I'm a massive Apple fanboy. Bring it on in the comments, don't care. I like Apple products, they work seamlessly, the ecosystem is almost flawless and they just don't disappoint year after year. So stick around, I'm unboxing this. My new iPhone XS Max, and let's see what's inside. You ready? Let's do this. So finally I've got my hands on my own iPhone XS Max, and that's a real mouthful to get around. But before we open this, I want to do a very quick walk around the box. Again, your standard, fantastic, immaculate packaging from Apple. Even the packaging is just mind-blowing. The detail they put into this stuff, not just their devices, the whole unboxing experience from Apple is seriously one of a kind. You can see your product on your front, the green moon. The side of the phones, you've got your Apple, and that indicates the colour of the phone which is inside the box. So if you've gone like I have for the space grey model, you're going to get the darker writing. Where if you go for the gold option, you're going to get the gold writing, and so on and so on. You've got your Apple at the bottom and your small bit of information here at the back. I'll see if I can get you in there. I've gone for the 256GB option. I didn't see the need to go for the 512. That's just major overkill in my eyes. But yeah, there you go. What do you think? Right, I'm not messing around anymore. Let's just get this open. You ready? Last look around the box. We've all seen it. There you go. They've made it very easy this year again. Your tabs. Apple are always very thoughtful in the unboxing experiences. Simple. Don't even need a knife anymore. Perfect. There you go. Box is open. And again, you've got this raised surface on the box, which they've implemented for a few years now. Very nice touch. So if I open this up, you're first greeted by your leaflet and information designed by Apple in California, of course, and then perfectly packaged inside the box is your new device. There we go, the iPhone XS Max in all its glory, still sealed in its plastic sheathing. So I'll just put that down there for a second, and inside the box you're going to get your power brick, your headphones, and they're missing the adapter now. They don't put this in the box anymore, thanks Apple, and your USB to Lightning. Now this isn't fast charge, and for the money you're spending on these devices, Apple, come on, let's start throwing them inside the box. Now these aren't cheap anymore. £1,249 here in the UK for the 256GB space grey option, which is just insane when you think about it. There should be fast charging inside the box for that price. There should be the adapter if they put the headphones in there. I mean, they're almost pointless putting these in here now because you can't actually use them. So why include them? I'm not going to moan too much. I mean, you're spending this kind of money on a phone. The adapter is only going to set you back £9, I think it is, you can pick them up for. But if you're like me and you've used previous phones, I've got the adapter in the 10 box, I've got the adapter in the 8 Plus box, so really it's not a biggie to me. It's not a biggie. It's just for the money you're spending, they should be including that kind of stuff inside the box. Apple, sort your game out. So anyway, there's your phone. It's very similar. I've got my 8 Plus here. They're very, very similar size, almost exactly the same. The back's slightly different. You can see the camera bump difference here. But again, this one is a 6.5 inch all-screen display. It's a multi-touch display. HDR is supporting 558 pixels per inch in this fantastic OLED screen from Apple. So that's your look at the phone out of the box. Inside the box, your information. Yes, we all know you get your stickers in here, and they're expensive stickers. So let me get this started up, let me get it all turned on, and I'll be right back and show you around the phone while it's on. Don't go anywhere. And back, the phone set up and working. So I almost took this off camera. How dare I? Know how much you guys like to see this. So just very quickly, there it is, the new OLED screen. It's beautiful, it's bright and it's bold. So the biggest things you're going to expect in this very small upgrade, if you go for the iPhone XS Max, not the XS Max, the iPhone XS Max, is the overall form factor. Now it's pretty much on par with what the 8 Plus was. They're the same size, but you're getting the OLED screen, which is 6.5 inches corner to corner. You're getting your Face ID, you're getting your 3D touch, which is all fantastic. And what I like about the plus size models, or in this case the max size model, as they've decided to rename it, is that if you're watching YouTube, if you're watching a film or any kind of content, video related, on the iPhone 10, when you used to turn it and put it into full screen mode, you'd lose some of the content as in the crop of the actual screen. With these it doesn't happen. You can keep the full content, it won't crop anything, so you're getting literally top to bottom full screen video of what your favourite YouTubers are applying, what your film was made to watch. You're seeing all of it, apart from obviously this little bit up here, the notch, but I know what that's there for. I'm not going to complain about it. It's for Face ID, so it has to be there. It's fast, it's functional, and it's flawless. It's the 3Fs, which again I understand why it's there, so I'm not going to bash the notch. So yeah, here's the phone. It looks amazing. I've only had it for 2 minutes. The Face ID, very simple to set up again, and it seems just so fast. It's literally just lightning fast. You pick your face up, open, pick your face up, open. I've never had an issue with Face ID. I like it. It works with Apple Pay. It works for unlocking the phone. It works for payment inside the phone. So if you're ever buying anything or downloading anything from iTunes or a subscription based where you can use your Face ID, it's simple. It just works. So yeah, here's your phone. And again, like I said, I nearly took that off camera, but there we go. Welcome to Fingerprint City. So went for the space grey option. As you can see, I do like my space grey options. It's just a nice colour. It looks smart, it looks sleek, and it's pretty much in all of them. I've gone space grey for this. I had space grey in my iPhone 10. So there we go. Let me just open that for you. The iPhone XS Max in all its glory. I'm happy, I'm excited. New phone. And again, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. There's lots more coming up involving this phone and new tech coming out this year. We've got new cameras, hopefully new iPads, some earphones popping out, and some new stuff from Oculus. So stick around, hit the subscribe button down below, and if you've enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up. It always helps the channel. The little bit of support helps. And remember, follow me over on Instagram. I know a lot of you are already. Same little symbol, MavTech. Look for the little Beats guy. Follow me over there on MavTech on Instagram. And we'll see you soon in the next video. Thanks.